Hello, Pao. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Paulo. Where are we?
Veggie dog. Home of the veggie dog.
How do you feel about being in the home of the veggie dog?
I'm gonna eat it.
So there's breakfast at Ikea. Oh my gosh, and there's carts for the trays. Some almond cake and like 5 glasses. And then like good stuff, good breakfast. Breakfast at Ikea. I spilled some soup, which sucks, but like, you know. My dad bought, he waited for lunch. So he got some meatballs. Okay, we finished breakfast. Ow, you slapped above my ass, Pao.
I'm scared.
Well, you did. I don't think that's a. Oh, Liu Kang. You mean Raiden? Raiden only wears the thing.
That is fine. Okay, I don't know you. Started
Hi, welcome to Ikea.
Veggie dog gonna be. No thanks.
This fly?
What did they put in the carrots, man?
Is this blood? Is this carpet blood?
This is it. I think that's it. Here you go. Where is it? Oh, I didn't.
Yeah, your parents just walked by.
What is this anyway? It's fish roux.
What is this?
Fish roux. And this is marinated. Hey, this is not that bad.
They sell pieces of salmon.
Not pieces, fillets.
Fillets.
The washrooms?
Oh, good luck. Go to the washroom.
Okay, this is whatever. Dick Flater. Dick Flater. Can you pour me some? It's Dick Flater. What does it taste like? Tastes like dick. So this is a dick blubber. Dick blubber. Hey, this is dick blubber.
For the boys.
Saturday's for the boys. It's Saturday? That is a bunch of wind.
To your right is the Nike outlet, and to your left is the Gap factory store, and straight ahead is some carts.
Where are we?
Premium outlet.
Yes. You can't actually record in the store, so yeah, I can't really do anything.
Here.
Yep, Pao, get in here. Yeah, Paolo found his pair of shoes. I'm still trying to find mine. There's not much people here. There's a chocolate chair behind me. Not much people here. But I think I found some shoes back at Famous Footwear, but like, I'm gonna try looking for some more. There's a chocolate, there's a guy making chocolate. Look who I found. With a Nike bag. I'm sneaking recordings. I found my shoes. Get them open. Get them open. Wow! They only go well. They go well with most of my outfits I wear, but like right now I'm crusty. I got my shoes. Nice ass shoes. I'm high-walking mom's bag.
Adrian.
Look at Pao's shoes. Pao, show the shoes. Yeah. 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 Home Sense. TNT. Adrian's not going down?
Yep.
Okay. What are we trying to find? Pao, what are you trying? Where are we going?
Jollibee.
Jollibee.
It's not even open yet.
It's not even open yet. But it'll be open next Friday in Edmonton. There it is. It's a Jollibee. It's a Jollibee. There it is. Nice one. We leave.
I just break in.
Big Paolo, see? We leave on tomorrow, and it's like worst timing. Let's see. Oh, we can see inside it. Hello, 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 hello. Got back at the hotel. I put on my new shoes. So good. So good. Are you gay? Pass. There you go. Who's ready for Captain's Boil? Captain's Boil. Justin. Captain's Boil.
Chicken was not that good.
Captain's Boil.
It's my turn, right? Yeah.
Paula has too much testosterone to not be gay.
It's blue now, people.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Dude. Aging put a triple. Triple two. Paula next. I got it. Got it. Boom. Casey's gonna cry.
Is it green?
Yeah.
Oh, you banana. Look what you did to me.
Hello?
I have a plant and you're ruining it. You have a plant? I have a plant and you're ruining it, Justino.
Oh.
What the gay was that? What the gay?
Could have just done this.
What the frick is he doing? Oh, you're an idiot.
Paulo, collectively we have 0.5 brain cells because of you. Okay, we're gonna be going to Captain's Boil now. Look at our shoes. Oh my god, this guy behind us. Round 2, baby. I'm getting this again. This and medium. Medium na naman. So good. We're gonna have right. Bye. We're out of the Captain's Boil. I'm getting fat. I have a big belly now. The biggest belly in the world. The biggest. What the gay are you doing?
It's so cold.
Dancing Queen. Dancing Queen. We're playing some BS and Paula has a bunch of cards. Yeah, a bunch.
I wish this was money.
Yeah, I wish.
What if this was money, dude?
I don't know. Oh my!
The guy at Home Depot that
Oh, yeah. I really don't.
Oh wait, no.
Quite frankly, sir, I really don't.
What was that?
Frick, I did. Ikaw. Hindi? Gusto mo?
What the frick?
Patay ka?
What the gay is happening? Alright, the day is done and tomorrow we'll be going home back to Saskatoon and I'm gonna have a handful to edit. A handful. I'm gonna be really busy this week.
More.
But I'm glad I started vlogging again. I'm glad I found a fix to the whole uploading on the computer problem and see you guys when I upload this. It's probably gonna be uploaded a little like 2 weeks after the trip actually happened. So yeah, see you guys.